If you are receiving a lot of alerts or notifications from Paga app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop Paga app notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, you need to access Paga app info page, and you can simply do this by just long pressing on the app, and you should see app info. Tap on this to access the app info page. If you didn't see app info shortcut, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of them and you should be taken to app info here. At this point, go to permissions section, and under this, look for notifications. If I tap on notifications, you can see all these notifications are on, and that's why you have been receiving a lot of notifications. To turn them off, just toggle off show notifications here, and this will disable or turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive notifications from Paga app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable Paga app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.